Hello, my name is Renardo Hall here at Jones Technical Institute. Today I'm performing a demonstration on hiring an inspector's forklift. Hang tight, we'll be right back with the video. Thank you. The forklift is an electric forklift, so that means it needs a charge. So the thing is, we have to have it charged, and we have a transformer here that actually charges. We're going to walk over here. Trying to get some light. And you can see right here, this is what charges that forklift. So we would bring the forklift, within reach where it can be plugged in, and we will plug this in, that cord in, to charge the battery. And basically once it has stopped charging, okay, that means that it is fully charged. So that is the charger for that. So where we're back over here to the forklift, we were going to show you right here where we will plug that in. That's right here. This is the battery connection right here. So this is the actual cable that's coming from the battery. That's where you will charge it in right here in that port right there. We will inspect the ports right here and make sure those ports are not damaged or loose. If it is, it needs to be replaced. This component here needs to be replaced. It's on top here. So as we can see that turned on there, what we do is we want to make sure we have all our labels here and understanding what we're dealing with here. This is the battery side here. Okay, we don't currently have the tool to remove this battery out of here, but we're checking to make sure our warning labels right here. We got our battery rating information right here, so we're making sure that that's there, okay, and making sure there's an additional warning label right here too. So what we're going to do is we're going to go through some controls, making sure it's running operational to the way it's supposed to. Just taking a 360 view of it. There's another warning label. Okay, those are the forks, the wheels and everything. We're checking around here. On the other side here, there's the serial number, battery information label. Some more information right here, the barcode tags. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is go through the controls. And this particular one, like I said, is electric. Battery operated, I'm sorry. And basically what it is that it has what is called a dead man switch, and that switch allows the vehicle to be able to stop in case something happened to the operator. Okay, so here we have our controls here, our joysticks here, and there's also a pedal down here at the bottom, and that's called the dead man switch, right down here at the bottom. And we would have to engage that in order to move it, this would be moving it forward, and this will be moving it back. And right here, our joystick here will be the steering. Okay, and we also have more information right here, the battery rating and all other identification numbers for this forklift. So as we're doing that too, as we go through the controls, we will also go over here and check the operation of this machine, which would be the cables, which are the hydraulic lines, and the chains. So the chains on here need to be intact and not loose. You don't see any damage on them, and also the hoses here. No hydraulic fluid leaking whatsoever. So we need to make sure that there's none of that is leaking, and everything is operational how it should. Making sure all our pins are in place here, which they are. And so just giving you a view of what's going on. We need to make sure for safety, because it can be very dangerous operating this machinery in any type of environment where you have pedestrians and accidents can occur. So we have here the horn, making sure the horn works. It does, and we're going through here. I'm going to press the dead man switch a little bit and engage it. And basically what that does is that allows me to go forward. So I'm going to go forward with it. And it allows me to go back. So that's forward and back. Okay, and this is the steering. We'll use this for the steering as we go forward and back. And basically what it's doing is moving the back wheels right now. That's what it's doing. So and then these joysticks here are actually they actually operate the forklift itself. So I'm raising it up by going back and going down. I'm letting it down. So I'm gonna raise it up. As I raise it up, I'm looking underneath here to check those hydraulic lines down here to make sure they're not leaking. We want to make sure they're not leaking. Okay, so we're doing an inspection on that, and we're going through here to make sure it's operational how it should. So that will bring that all the way up. Give you a view on that going all the way up. So it's all the way up. And that's all it is. We're checking the cylinder right here. That cylinder, it's in good shape. And then we're going to bring it down. So as you can see, it's rolling on no chains and bring it down like that. So this particular one here, it brings it from side to side. You engage the button there, and it goes from side to side. And what we would do is we would engage it here. So what it does is it goes from side to side, the forklift itself. And when we go this way, it will go in, go out, okay, and then it will go in. This is what this forklift does. So we engage it that way, and it'll actually have it go from side to side. Well, we keep it engaged, it actually brings the fork up. We bring it engaged like that, we're bringing it out, okay? Again, that dead man switch is what they call it. Remember when we operate these, so we got to bring it coming all the way out. There's some more hydraulic lines here. There's another warning label. We don't want your hand in there. You'll crush your hands. So we got some more hydraulic lines in order to operate this machine. So then we come back and we want to bring this in, hit the dead man switch and bring it back in. Got the dead man switch again. From side to side. Bringing it out again. Bringing it back in. So we're just making sure that this forklift is operational how it should be. So then we bring it back down that way with the other forklift. I mean the other joystick. Just going through the controls, making sure that we're operating it properly. So we bring it back this way behind us, over here where we can charge our forklift. So that was how to do an inspection on the forklift. This one was an electric one. My name is Laurel Hall here at Jones Technical Institute, and thank you for watching.